Yo, it's the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my goons for pulling up once again. And today we're talking about HBAR. HBAR is set for massive, massive gains. This is something that you do not want to miss out on. But let's talk and let's hop into these charts and check it out. Now, if you saw my last HBAR video, my projection over the long term is that HBAR is going to wind up somewhere in $2 range. Now, as you can see here, we have the fib, right? This is the long-term outlook. We have the fib from this low to this high. As you can see with the fib, we came down in the 618 area and bounced off and returned to the highs. Now, for anybody that is new here, we reverse the fib for price targets. Okay, so as you can see, $2.80 on the upside. Now, we're going to break down into the daily chart just to take a look a little bit closer so that we can see what's going on. So as you can see here, this bullish triangle pattern took off to the upside, but there are other patterns forming on the daily that we need to pay attention to. So let's drop down to the daily. So as you can see here, we had a break out of the triangle, and then we formed another triangle, which you can see here. This is another bullish triangle that we then broke out of. Okay, so there are several scenarios here to go over with HBAR that are another setup for the upside. Now we're going to take the fib, go from this low to the high, and let me set the fib back to its natural state. We made a high, this is a weekly high. This isn't the all-time high, but we wicked right here, and then we formed this bearish candle pattern for a move down. Now this will play out one of two ways. One, we could pull back here, which you see this double confluence. You see this 23.6 monthly fib level, and we could see a return to the upside. So for me, I'll be buying at this level, which is 22 cents. Now, if we break this level, then we will be headed to the 50. Okay, I will be looking for another buy at the 12 cents area. So I buy anytime markets come down, right? So I'll be buying right here at 22, and then I'll be buying again at 12 cents. So as you can see here, where we have this price action, the way it looks right here, I'm looking for this to end up as an area of support and then a move to the upside. Now, on this daily chart, what are the price targets, right? So as you know, I reversed the fib. So the nearest target is always, for me, now what's law for the Fibonacci when you reverse it is the 141 and the 161. So the next target that I'm looking for is 97 cents off of these lows. Okay. So again, HBAR is making a move down. Okay. And I'm looking for it to reverse in one of these two areas. Me personally, I buy anytime the market is in the red. I buy when it's in the green. I buy when it's going sideways. That's just me. So I'm looking for this move down either here at 24 cents or down here at 12 cents. These are both good entries to take advantage of more upside momentum. Now let's hop over here to the crypto bubbles. As you can see, we're doing a lot better than we did yesterday as Bitcoin came down, and we're starting to see, people move their profits over into the altcoin. It is altcoin season. Don't forget that. Do not get discouraged when you see a lot of these cryptocurrencies start to pull back. It's a natural part of the process. Don't let it scare you away. So let's check out HBAR. So on the hour, we're down 0.3%. That's nothing. On the day, we're down 2.4%, but we're still up 81.2% on the week, 492% on the month, and 321% on the year. Again, it's not something that, that we should be mad at. At the beginning of November, we were at 4 cents. We're now at 42 cents. That's a great return. So we're looking for more gains like this. We're going to hold it down for a pullback in one of these two areas. I'm buying in both just in case price decides to take off from here. HBAR is something that a lot of institutions are looking at. Of course, always doing your homework. And this is never financial advice, but HBAR is in play. This is another one that is going to see more massive gains over this bull market. There's one thing that I want you to pay attention to, especially in this article about HBAR. Firstly, Weiss Crypto highlighted that Hedera is one of the most notable institution-focused distributed ledger technologies. According to the post, Hedera's governing council is made up of 32 major financial institutions, including IBM, Google, Dell, Boeing, and Deutsche Telekom. On the blockchain, the platform explained that Hedera's network is permissioned. Unlike the permissionless blockchain, this implies that it only facilitates the approval of entities that can become nodes. Additionally, this makes it a perfect match for real-world asset use cases. This post also highlighted its active involvement in asset tokenization. Hedera is actively involved in tokenizing assets like commercial real estate, securities, carbon credits, and even diamonds. Through these applications, Hedera is positioning itself as one of the leading players in the adoption of blockchain technology for institutional use. Let me know what you all think down in the comments, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate my crypto goons that are always tapped in, and you know the vibes. It's Crypto Goon out.